Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of the circle on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, which is the second tab here, tap on Touch. Now, to make sure this circle disappears for good, all you have to do is turn off Assistive Touch. But you might be wondering, what exactly is Assistive Touch? Well, Assistive Touch on the iPhone is an accessibility feature designed to assist people with motor skill impairments, making it easier to use the device. It allows users to perform actions like pinching, multi-finger swipes, or 3D touch with simple taps. Additionally, Assistive Touch lets you create a virtual home button, which can be especially useful if you have an older iPhone with a physical home button that may not work properly anymore. Now, let me show you how to turn it off. At the top of the screen where it says Assistive Touch, tap on it. Then simply toggle Assistive Touch off. Now, the circle is gone. Even when you go back to the home screen, you'll notice there's no circle at all. And that's how you get rid of the circle on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.